Hi, good morning. Now this is that 12 volt converter. Okay, so I want to test it with using this quick charge power bank. So let's see, the fan is on. This is the first speed. Okay, you can see it's pulling 2.1 amp. So I will increase it. Let's see how many watts it can hold. So I've increased it to second speed, but you can see the watt is still stable. This is the highest speed, still at 11 watts. So you can just call it the 10 watt this thing. The 10 watt converter. It's not hot. Even the warmness is just small. So my hand is still there, sure. So you can just call it the 10 watts. And at 10 watts.